Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is the process of labeling um, or tagging data with metadata, descriptors, or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labels, data sets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories, such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Without these special skills, guys, you can earn money on Fiverr through data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple: create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see, here we have a small number comparing small numbers of offers comparing with other services. So let's see, for example, over here we have, for example, article and blog posts. As we can see, here we have over 51,000 of results. That means 51,000 of offers. So it's a big number comparing with the number of offer in data annotation. So here we have the competition is really strong. Let's see another service, for example, business website. For the business website, as you can see here, we have over 69,000 of results. That means 69 or over 69,000 of offers. So how we gonna start as a freelancer or as a data annotator? So you can just go to your or open your web browser and click fiverr.com. Then you will start or it will lead you to this home page, and you can just click over here EI services, or you can see if we scroll down, here we have a lot of services that offer Fiverr. So you can just go over here data, and then you will go to data analysis. Here we have data annotation. So as you can see here, um, you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services, and the minimum amount you can charge here, as you can see here, we have $5. And for this number, it's how much job you get so far. So here we have different numbers starting with $5, $35. We can also find, why not, $100, $50, or $15. So it's depend on how much services you give and how much time you need to finish the job. So let's select an example for it. Let's choose that one. I already choose it. So let's see if it's that one. So let's click over here, job M. To more understand, we will start or work on that example. So here we have this example. We have here the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling the items, images as example videos, or just by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. So for the charge, it's $5 for the basic one for 400 bounding boxes and delivery in 1 day. And the second one is, or the second offer is $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes in 2 days. And the most expensive one is $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes in 6 days. So even it's the same offer, but really you will have there is not the same information over here. So let's select, for example, another example. Here we have the most expensive one is $200 for 10,000 pounding boxes. So the same number of bounding boxes, but it's not the same amount. And for this one, it's for 6 days delivery, but this one it will the work it will be prepared earlier. It's five in the work it will be finished in 5 days delivery or in 5 days, so delivery will be in 5 days. So that's why I said the information here it's totally different. It's depend on how much you need and how much bounding boxes you will get. So this is it, guys. So you can just research for data annotation, and you will find a lot of platform, a lot of information, a basic information to start as a freelancer and getting money, getting job. Then you can earn money. So there's other platforms such as ODB. You can just click over here, become a freelancer, and you will start. And the second platform is Toluca. You can just click over here, login, and then it will lead you to this page. And here we have I am ready to earn money. You will select over here, and you will get to signing up. Then you will start as a freelancer. So there is these platforms I mentioned. It's just an example. There's a lot of platform. You can work on it as a data annotators or as a freelancer on data annotators. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go and start as a data annotators and get your money. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.